Alright, so I got this SSD. It's upside down. This is what it says on it. Supposedly 4 gigabytes. It's not real, it's fake. Got off of AliExpress, thought it would be real. I tried it on my PC about a year ago, and it was in that slot right there. And it did work for a second, but it wasn't really. The speeds on it was really low. So a year later now, I'm gonna shoot it. This gun and this one right here. And now I'm gonna shoot it today. I'm gonna shoot it with this gun right here. And this one over here. And see what's gonna happen. So I'll use like probably this upper part right here for the P90 and the lower part for the Badger. See what happens. It might just break in half. Well, it should. So thin anyways. But to make it fair, I'm gonna leave it in this case that it came with. Just like this. And I should be able to see it from this wrapper right here. And I'm going to set it up real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna be using these BBs right here. High cap magazine. I'm gonna be using this battery as well. Put the Honey Badger first. And since it's like 320 feet per second. So we should get some damage. If not, I will be definitely surprised. And if there's something left at the end, I will use one of my air rifles just to see what will happen. Give a test shot real quick. Okay, gun is really long. Already gonna see what the damage is. I'm just looking right now. I know I can move this part. I don't even know if I hit it in the right area. But okay, so any damage from the back? Not really. Like I bet if I put this on my motherboard right now, it'll probably still work. I could try that too. No, nothing right now. Wherever I hit it at, it must have been not like a good enough shot. Let me just put this little detailing on the back. It's completely useless anyways. I'm guessing like one of these things are like the storage parts. We'll try to hit one of these areas. You know, I'm gonna just leave it in this so I can actually see it. Okay, I'm aiming at the top part. Okay, something flew off. So wherever I hit it, I think it was covering these spots right here. Yeah, whatever it was, these things came off. I think that's like some like pieces on it, so like it might be completely damaged to even put in my PC, but might try it. I don't know. So that's all it did. It's not even bent yet, a little bit. But now I'm gonna go to the P90. I'm gonna put just a few BBs in here. Alright, so I'm up closer now. so I don't miss. No, I don't see nothing yet, but like, we'll do like this, but that wouldn't be the best idea to do. So, no idea. All right, so I'm gonna do it like this, right in the middle. Some more stuff flew off, but it didn't go through. It is definitely bent in the middle, but nothing. It's just a big dent in it at this point. So I'm gonna do it again. Still ain't go through. These guys like doing 400 FPS. There's deep dents in the back part, like right there, but I don't think it's gonna go through. So that means I'm gonna go to the air rifle and get out my 22. See what that does to it. Should just kill it at this point. All right, this is not the right one, but somehow I got in here. This is what I'm going to use. That would be kind of bad if it ends up like one of these. All right, so it's right in there. Going to aim right for the middle. There's a hole right there. Oh yeah, perfect. It definitely smells like, not burnt, but like some type of chemical reaction. I accidentally shot this. This is for another video. This is a battery that goes for that gun over there. I don't want to do that yet, but so the pellet indeed did end up the same way. Kind of messy too. But definitely got a hole in it now. It's crazy. This is how it turned out. I mean, it's still stable too. I think it's not worth putting it in my motherboard. Might end up messing it up or something crazy, but because I know it wasn't flashing light on here. That little light module system might just be knocked off of here by now. So I think that's pretty much it. Got this off of AliExpress for like $40 like last year. Was supposed to get a refund, then like it just didn't work out. But oh well. And that's it.